welcome on stage now our Portfolio Manager, Tobias Siegel, and Product Portfolio Manager, Amna Tobias. Welcome.
Yeah, then hello and good evening and warm welcome on the SPS Fair from our side. Now we are the SPS Fair and it's all about connecting people, connecting companies. And in this presentation, we would like to show you with our solution how you can connect the people in your company. But before we show our industrial connectivity solution, I think we start with explaining why is it important to connect the software and also the people. And then we would like to make it a little bit more concrete with a real example, what everybody already knows in our private life. So, we believe collaboration is the key for a successful transformation, and especially digital transformation. Because in digital transformation, in general transformation is not an easy task. So you need to collaborate. You cannot do it alone. And this is something I believe everybody knows in his private life and also in his business life. Now, let me explain you why it's important to connect the things with a real example, what everybody of you knows. Where already in digital transformation what happens. It's the digital transformation of the social communication. So I believe everybody of you has a smartphone, right? Do you have one? Yes, I can see it. Yeah. There's another one. So this is a good thing. It's an easy question. Everybody answers with yes. Yeah. And let us show you, my friend, how it works. So my friends and me, we normally use in WhatsApp. So we use in WhatsApp for sharing information, sharing updates, organizing appointments and events. But there's one friend who isn't using the same software, is not using WhatsApp. And now what's happened with this guy? Do you have an idea? Yes, so sometimes he's not up to date, he's not invited to the appointments and the meetings. And all because he's using another software, so it's somehow that the software is like a wall between the people. And this is something what we want. We want to break the wall between these people in the industry. My name is Tobias Siegel, I'm using WhatsApp, and I'm heading the product portfolio management for edge and cloud connectivity.
Hi, and I'm Amna Hussain, and I actually also use WhatsApp, and I am the product portfolio manager for brownfield connectivity. And today, what I want to say is, when it comes to WhatsApp or communication, it's the same in an industry, you know. We have many different tools, and they don't necessarily interact. So the question is, how can industrial connectivity help to collaborate? But before I answer this question, I want to show you an example of what the current shop floor looks like. So here, you see that you have physical data sources like on your OT shop floor. So these could be your PLCs, your drives, your machine tools, etc. And then you have your virtual data sources, which are, I don't know, MES systems, you know, ERP systems, etc. So these can be, first of all, built in-house, so in Siemens, or these can be third-party. And they can be really old legacy products as well. And these data sources, they don't necessarily have the same data formats or technologies, and therefore, there are these walls between the assets on the shop floor.
But at the end, it's still not limited only to the data sources. Because, for example, if you would like to increase the outcome or would like to reduce the cycle times of your productivity, what do? So again, you connect the data sources, you do in data preprocessing, you do in modeling, you do in standardization. Then may you would like to continue. May you want to measure the energy consumption per part to calculate the CO2 footprint for your device or for your outcome. What do? Again, I need more hands, yeah? I need to connect, I need to structure the data, model the data, and doing contextualization. And again, if I would like to extend, or I would like to improve the maintenance intervals of my production, I do it again and again and again. And at the end, what's the result? You still have the walls between the tools, because the tools has different information. And what's happened if you have a wall between the software and the tools? It's again, you have a wall between the users, so the people in front of the software. And this is something where we would like to show you how you can break down these walls. But this is still quite simple, this slide. Now we would really love to show you a very complex slide. And too complex slide for the stage presentation normally. So please take a seat, also the other ones
Take a
in
breath.
the back. Please take a seat. Take a deep breath, and then spend some seconds for the next slide.
Phew. Yeah, it's very, very difficult to look at. So now I'm going to make it really simple for you. Siemens is going to introduce a simple industrial connectivity solution which allows you to connect all your OT level devices and transfer this data to your IT infrastructure. This means that not only do we break walls, the walls between all these different data sources, we also break the walls behind these data sources between the people who are using these devices. So, what is this solution about? This solution will offer high availability. It's a scalable technology with transparency on costs. It is reliable and robust. And most importantly, because of the containerized nature of the software, it is deployment platform agnostic. This means that you can deploy it on Kubernetes, Industrial Edge, or Docker Swarm, or any other IT platform that your customer requires. And now I almost hear you asking me, Amna, is this solution only for big enterprise customers? And I'd say no. This solution allows you to scale from panel all the way to data server level. So it fulfills the needs of all your customer sizes, from small to medium to large enterprise.
So it's a solution for all of us, right? So for you and the other ones also in the booth and may outside the booth. And what do we reach with our industrial connectivity solution, or if you use them? You connect the OT and IT. It means you eliminate the walls between the technologies, between the software, between the different applications, but with the main goal. And the main goal is not using another software. The main goal is connecting people. And if you would like to get more insights, we are in fair, so please feel free to connect with our expert, with our people from Siemens, with their solution, or with the industrial connectivity solution. You will find our expert at station
69.
This is collaboration. Thank you. 69. And please feel free to use the chance, connect with our people, with our expert, and get some more insights about the industrial connectivity solution.
We look forward to connecting with you.